We rolling. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so today I'm actually going to be doing a Halloween video. So basically, hi, I'm Sarah, welcome to my channel, welcome back. If you've been here before, let's get that out of the way. Basically, about 2 months ago, I went and got my hair done by the wonderful Sam at Canvas Salon. As she's styling me out, I look in the mirror and go, oh my god, I'm just like the perfect goth mermaid. And we both kind of laugh, but now we talk about it every single time I go get my hair done because I am a goth mermaid is what we have decided. 2 weeks ago, I was getting my hair did and we were talking about Halloween and I was like, yeah, my boyfriend's going down to the farm for the weekend, which basically just, that means he's out of town for the weekend. I was thinking of stuff to do. I haven't really done anything for Halloween, so I was gonna do this over the weekend because we started talking about goth mermaid and how I should be a goth mermaid for Halloween and this, that, and the other. So long story short, he didn't end up going to the farm, so we hung out. So now it's Tuesday or Monday before Halloween and I just bought a bunch of fun stuff at the dollar store and Walmart and I'm gonna turn myself into a goth mermaid before I have to go to work. So with all of that rambling being said, we're gonna jump into it. I'm also super energized. I had a Red Bull for breakfast and I haven't eaten and I'm just like, I don't know, I'm in a mood right now. So that being said, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna take my lightest foundation. It's probably gonna be too light for me. To begin with, it is the shade Pearl. It's the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. I've used it before. I'm going to take some concealer. I'm taking my lightest shade of concealer. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This might even be too dark. And then to set under my under eyes, I'm going to take, so I have this contour kit by LA Colors and I'm going to go in with the lightest shade. This is like a photo finish setting powder. Typically I don't like to use these all over my face just because they cause flashback, but I'm not going to be taking any pictures with flash and this is coming off like almost as soon as I get it put all over my face. So I'm going to set the rest of my face with this. I did not think there was that much on this brush, but apparently I was very wrong. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and fill in my eyebrows, just finish them off. I'm not going to do anything too crazy. I'm just going to make sure that they are dark and bold and ready to rock because I want dark and bold eyebrows for this look. So what I'm going to do is take my e.l.f. cream gel eyeliner, just the black. And I remember I used to fill in my brows exactly like what I'm about to do every single day. And one of my friends' brothers referred to me as the girl with the eyebrows. Eli? That was so uncool. No, I'm just kidding. We're chill. So next is going to be the fun part. We get to start playing with color around my face, around the face. And the first thing I'm going to do is open up these fishnet like thigh-high things that I found at Walmart. So I'm trying to think of the best way to do this. I see a lot of times girls will put the whole thing over their face. So I'm going to cut some of this off and we're going to see if we can't do that. Okay. Oh, shnikes. That's tight. That is tight on your girl's face. Okay. What in the, okay, so in all of the Instagram videos I see, this always looks so much easier. This just is not, okay, whoa, all right, we're good. We're good, we've got it on. We've got it on all the way. Okay, so basically what this does is, as you guys can see, there are holes, and when I put color over it, in whichever way I want, it's gonna create the illusion of scales. So I should have picked out the palette I was gonna use first. I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop. I forget what the name of this is. The rainbow, the really pretty rainbow one. I love this palette so much. The first shade I'm gonna go in with is Seeing Stars. It's a purple shade, and this is, oh, it's a purple shade, and it's gonna go all the way around your face. My face, like a bronzer or a contour would. So I'm gonna take Moonlight Matte. I'm gonna just take it on another fluffy brush. I'm gonna go around the edges that we just put this purple down on. So I'm gonna take a darker blue to mix in with this. This is the shade Fine China, also by ColourPop. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is go in with a green. This is the shade No Scrub, and it is a matte. And this is not gonna go everywhere. This is just gonna hit some points of the face. For the most part, I'm pretty happy with how this looks, so I'm gonna take off the fishnet now. Oh yeah, that looks super cool. Whoa, this looks so good. I'm gonna highlight. Okay, so this is the Violet Voss, the Rainbow Shadow Palette. I'm gonna take the shade Pearl, and that's what I'm gonna highlight my face with because I think that it'll give a really pretty reflect. So I'm gonna take it on a shadow brush or fan brush, really small fan brush, and then I'm gonna spray this with setting spray just to add it, give it some more oomph. So as of right now, I'm good with how my face is looking. So for my eye base, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Revolution Pro Eye Elements Corp Eye Primer. This is what I've been using lately. I love it. And I'm just gonna apply it with a brush because I have nails right now, so I have to be high maintenance and apply it with a brush. I'm gonna start off with like a cool tone shade to build up into my crease, and that's just gonna go into the crease. This doesn't have to be perfect. It can be kind of messy because we're gonna go in with some other pretty colors later, some fun colors later, but this is just kind of to lay a guideline, I guess you could say. Go ahead and smoke this out as much as you want. I'm trying to decide what I want to do next. I'm gonna go ahead and take a black shadow and put it on the outer corner and just kind of start working it into the crease because I can't decide what color I want to put all over my lid and I'm still thinking. Sorry, I didn't think I could zoom you in first. I definitely could have had you zoomed in. I'll just smoke this out as much as you want to. For me, I want it to be pretty smoky. So basically I knew what I was gonna do as far as my face went when I started this, but like as far as like my eye makeup, I was like, I'm just gonna play and see what happens. So it's kind of what I'm doing right now because I don't really have a direction. I've done like dark smoky looks before, but like I didn't really have a direction for what I wanted to do right now. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and put it all over my eye again, just so that way I have a base for these shadows to stick to because I think I know what I want to do. I'm gonna do one eye at a time as far as this goes because this could very well mess up what I have created. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Indigo and put this all over that inner part of my lid that I just cut. Okay, so for whatever reason, this buttercup color right here is calling my name, and I feel the need to put it right where the purple is meeting the black. Right now I'm just gonna play and try and blend this out a little bit better. I don't love how that looks, and I feel like maybe I should have just left it, but it's fine. Into the inner corner though, I am gonna take this Seafoam shade because A, I'm trying to transform myself into a mermaid, and B, I think it'll be a really cool and neat inner highlight color. Alright, that looks pretty fun. I like how this looks so far, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop off camera, do my other eye, and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. That was easy enough. The next thing I'm gonna do is just do some eyeliner and mascara. Nothing special, just normal wing liner, normal liner. Oh, one other thing. You might be like, that looks a little different. I smoked out the black and then I brought the blue down into, or onto my bottom lash line because I felt like that would just be kind of a fun touch. I went for some extra dramatic liner today because I just kind of felt like that would be a fun touch. Man, I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Primer. CoverGirl, I think I've mentioned it a couple of times, but it is actually a cruelty-free brand now. I think that is like the coolest thing ever. I'm not mad at it. It'll work, it'll get the job done. I just don't like false lashes all the time, and right now, like, honest to God, I'm just not in the mood. I have a headache. Like, I'm in a really good mood, but I'm just not in the mood for false lashes. So this is gonna do just fine, I think, in my opinion. So basically, I finished up with my mascara and my card got full. So while I was transferring the film from my camera, or the card, to my computer, I curled my hair to give myself the beach waves, or the curly waves, or the mermaid waves that all of this started from. I used my curling wand. This is a quarter or fourth inch. I don't know what, I think this is 3/8 of an inch. And I curled my hair by rolling it around, and then I let it go, and then I like sprayed it with hairspray and finger combed it. That's the word I was looking for. So what I'm gonna do is take my hot glue gun, and then I bought this morning some shells, and I'm gonna glue the shells onto some bobby pins to attach to my hair. I was gonna put these on my face directly, but after thinking about it, I just think that it'll be too much. All right, all of those are set, so while they finish drying, I'm gonna go ahead and put on a lipstick. The lipstick that I'm gonna go ahead and use today is gonna be this e.l.f. matte liquid lipstick. I've been wanting to use this for a while. It's called Vampy Violet. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put some of these, try to put some of these in my hair without having the shells pop off. There's really not a rhyme or reason. I'm just kind of gonna stick them in there. Oh, there goes one. Okay, let's see. This is the big one. I wonder if I could get away with going into work like this. Just kidding. I mean, honest to God, I don't think anybody would say anything to me, but like, probably can't do that. Okay. And here it is, the completed look, my goth mermaid look of my dreams. Oh my God, I had so much fun working on this. I'm so sad that I'm gonna take it off here within like the next 15 minutes because this was just so much fun. So anyway, here is the completed look. So fun. I loved this look. Now I really think I'm gonna do Billy Butcherson because like if I have time, I mean, why the heck not? Okay, so now should I Snapchat my boyfriend and see if I can get a reaction? Let's see what happens. This is literally what I'm gonna say. We'll see if we get a response back or not. I don't know. But with all that being said, I'm gonna take some selfies, do some TikToks, cause you know, I ain't letting this makeup go to waste. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye. Okay, he replied. By the way, I've taken makeup off. I'm about to head into work. But let's see if we got a good response or a bad response. He goes, looks lizardy fishy. I mean, we're close. Mermaid, lizard, fish, kind of. Yeah, I guess we're close. I was gonna say mermaid was the goal, but you know, close enough. Okay, that's all I got. That was his response. Okay, bye.
He did the monster mash. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. He did the mash.